Welcome, dear viewers, to our exploration of the remarkable legacy of Shah Faisal, the last great king of Saudi Arabia. Early life. The narrative takes us back to Shah Faisal's early life, highlighting his birth in Riyadh in 1906 amidst the formation of the Saudi kingdom. The voiceover shares that Faisal grew up in an environment charged with change and development, shaping his visionary outlook. His leadership qualities and diplomatic finesse positioned him as a prominent figure in his father's court. Faisal's rise to the throne after a period of political turbulence marked a new era for Saudi Arabia. Modernization efforts. The video transitions to Shah Faisal's ambitious efforts to modernize Saudi Arabia. Statistics and images illustrate his work in transforming infrastructure, education, and healthcare. Faisal was not only a monarch but a reformer, ushering Saudi Arabia into the modern age. Impact on oil industry. Highlighting one of Faisal's major accomplishments, the narrative delves into his work in the oil industry. Under his leadership, Saudi Arabia became an international powerhouse, leveraging its oil wealth to influence global markets. Faisal's strategic moves placed the kingdom on the world stage. Diplomatic achievements. With historical clips and expert commentary, the video explores Faisal's diplomatic achievements. His pivotal role in the creation of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation (OIC) and his efforts for peace in the Middle East demonstrate his global impact. Faisal's diplomacy extended beyond borders, notes the voiceover. Controversies and challenges. To provide a balanced view, the video touches upon controversies during Faisal's reign, including internal dissent and political challenges. The narrative explains how these issues were navigated under his leadership. Legacy and influence. The narrative reflects on how Shah Faisal's legacy continues to influence Saudi Arabia and the Islamic world. His visionary policies and enduring contributions are discussed with admiration and respect. Faisal's principles of unity and development resonate even today. What do you think were Shah Faisal's most enduring contributions to Saudi Arabia and the world? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed our journey through history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more fascinating insights into the Islamic world. Thank you for watching.